welcome to the channel. Today we have came up with a new scenario where you are having the month, brand, and the brand type, that is soft drink or light drink, and their sales. So what we need to do, we need to, whatever you are coming with SD, we need to replace with soft drink, and we need to have one more new type, SD and LD, where we are defining LD, it should be light drinks. Okay, and similarly whatever sales you are getting, you need to again multiply the Coca-Cola with 10% of whatever sale is there, lemonade with 4, Fanta with 5, lead with 2, and rest all need to come, keep as it is, because it will multiply by 1. That means the same sales. So this factorization you need to do for the brand. So basically we need to factor the brand based on certain conditions. So first let's take the select month. Okay, now brand. Now what we'll do, we'll create one case when your brand type equal to SD, then we'll call as soft drinks, else we'll call as light drinks, will end as brand type of brand, will take cells from sale underscore brand. Okay, so first we'll just find whatever types you're having, and then we'll do the factorization. So we got that soft drink and whatever you are having, that all things, right? And we are having this from 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so now we need to apply the factorization, right? Factorization on the sales of the brands. So how we'll apply, we'll select month as month, comma, brand as product. Okay, then we'll again do one more thing. Once we have the brand, now we'll find the case when brand underscore type equal to SD, then we'll call it as soft drinks. Then we'll write one more condition, that is else part, it's your light drinks, will end the case as product type. Now we need to multiply the certain brand, so I'll write sum. Okay, case when your brand is equal to cola, then sales we are multiplying by 10%. Okay, similarly when your brand is equal to lemonade, lemonade, then sales will be multiplied by 4, that is multiplied by 4. Okay, similarly when your brand is equal to Fanta, then your sales will be multiplied by 5. And when your brand will be equal to lead, then sales will be multiplied by 2, else your sales has it, because we are multiplying 1 for other brand. So whatever you are multiplying by anything multiplied by 1, suppose you are multiplying 100 by 1, it will give 100 only, right? So we are not writing any condition over here for the else part, and we are ending this, right? Now we change this as factorized sales from sale brand. Now we have used sum here, so we need to use what we need to use. We need to use the group by clause, right? So we need to group by your month, product, and your product type, that is brand type. We cannot group directly product type because in the order of operation you cannot write directly. Like suppose I am writing here product, for example. I will show you what will happen. Okay, allies name I am putting product name, and then I am putting product, and then I am putting month. Okay, now let's see what will happen if I am running this. Okay, this is our query. Will it throw error? Month does not exist. The reason is order of operation. So the order of operation is not been in the order. First it will go in the table name, then it will, if there is any where clause, it will where, then group, then having. But you have allies that the in the select clause, so it does not recognize that month you are calling as month. So instead of writing month and that all things, you can eventually put number, that is column number 1 2 3, or you can put the actual column name. What is the actual, not the allies one. Okay, so now once you run this, you'll be getting all the factorized. So whatever you are having, the factorized will order by from the lowest to order by. In order by you can use the allies name, because the reason is order by has been functionalized laterally. So let's have from lowest to greatest, that is in the ascending order. Okay, so let's run this. So now you are having 3617 for the lemonade soft drink. So let's see, is it value coming true or what. Let's check for one, that is lemonade. For lemonade soft drink for 2022, so basically 2022 1, that is second month, 2 is 3617, right? Did you find? But there is something wrong in this. In lemonade you are multiplying by 4, right? When you are multiplying this by 4, you would have got 1468, right? Now let's see what has happened. So the spelling was wrong for lemonade in case statement. Okay, when you will run this now. Okay, now let's say lemonade is 1,44,068, right? So here you can see that whatever you are multiplying it by 4, it will give you 1 lakh 14,468. Sorry, my bad for reading that. It is 14,468, right? This is the sale of factorized for lemonade. Similarly, we'll look for lead. So in for lead, what is the factorization given for lead? Let me check for lead. For the lead, it is showing 2. It's coming for fifth one, because we are ordering by the sales which have become less irrespective of month and those all things. Okay, if you want to keep month also, you can keep month also in month as descending. Okay, so month will be greater, so we don't want the greater month, we also want the month by in ascending order. We can do that also. Okay, so let's run this. So what it is showing, it is showing month as error, right? The reason is your month is in this form. Does not exist because of the clause name. Because see, when you are writing this month, it is directly taking as your keyword. Okay, so basically there are some reserved keyword for the SQL, so it is taking that one. So let me run this. You'll be getting now that month. Okay, 5 1, you can see that for the lead it is 9562. So let's go at the fifth one it is showing 9562. Right now lead is your, what is the factorization value for it? Multiplying by 2. So when you this will multiply by 2, you'll getting somewhere around 87. So there is something wrong, so it is, we have to look for the fifth one, sorry, multiply by 2. So it is 9562, 9562. So the values are coming right, we have factorized everything right. So whenever you are doing any operation, make sure you validate that value. Okay, you have to validate that with raw data, whatever operations you have made in the query. So we had checked now, and we learned how to factorize the data for the measure values with case statement. Okay, and we also showed you how it has been done. Okay, thank you.